Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517, and in this video I will tell you how many RAM slots this device has. So to check the amount of slots for your specific model, right-click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, and in the Task Manager open the Performance section, and in the Performance section, in the Memory tab, you'll be able to see the amount of slots used and the form factor of the memory. The form factor of the memory is SODIMM, which means that this device uses normal RAM sticks, but the amounts of slots used is 2 out of 2, which means that there are no free slots. But from user reports, they say that these sticks are irreplaceable. So if you're looking for a device that is able to, in which you can replace and upgrade RAM memory, then it's not your option. But generally speaking, the answer to this video, there is two RAM slots, and both of them are occupied, at least in my case. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.